Ooh. Hey y'all, so today I will be reviewing the new Manuka Honey and Yogurt SheaMoisture line. SheaMoisture sent me these products and asked me to share my honest opinion about them, so that's what I'm gonna do. If you want to try these, I'll leave links down below in the description box. All of these products have no sulfates, no phthalates, no parabens, no silicones, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil, no petrolatum, and they are all cruelty free. So this is my hair before the wash. I'm going to split my hair down the middle and I'm going to add products only on this side of my head so we can compare it to the other side of my hair that will have no product. So first, the protein treatment. This treatment adds protein to the hair to combat weakness and damage and to repair your hair. I think it's super funny how I've always told you guys to use Greek yogurt hair masks to put protein in your hair, and now SheaMoisture has released a protein treatment with yogurt. This contains hydrogenated castor oil, shea butter, honey, yogurt powder, coconut oil, and hydrolyzed vegetable protein. First, I'm going to wet my hair to open the hair cuticle, and then I'm going to apply the treatment. This stuff is thick and it has the consistency of whipped shea butter. It's very dense. All of these products have a very light honey shea butter smell. While I was applying this, I thought my hair would become hard, but I was really surprised at the fact that this actually has really good slip and actually did a really good job detangling my hair. So I'm going to braid my hair, leave it in for 15 minutes and rinse it out. Next, shampoo. It contains shea butter, yogurt powder, yogurt extract, baobab seed oil, coconut oil, panthenol, and honey. The shampoo looks like a pearlescent milky cream. This stuff lathers a lot, like a lot. I was actually afraid that my hair would be dried out from all the lather, but when I rinsed this out, to my surprise, my hair did not feel stripped at all. After I rinsed out the shampoo, I was really surprised at how soft and detangled my hair was. I honestly did not want to use conditioner because I didn't feel the need to, but for the sake of the review, I'm going to use the conditioner. But the protein treatment and the shampoo were enough to get rid of all of my tangles. Now, conditioner. It contains shea butter, honey, yogurt powder, yogurt extract, mafura seed oil, avocado oil, aloe vera, and panthenol. This stuff is thick. It has the consistency of like a light whipped shea butter. And as you can see, it's just melting through my hair, but it doesn't feel drying or sticky. So I rinsed out the conditioner and my hair feels so soft, nourished, and moisturized. And now it is time to style. I'm going to use the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In Spray. This hydrates, reconditions, strengthens, and smooths hair. It also helps to fight frizz and reduce breakage. This contains shea butter, honey, yogurt powder, yogurt extract, and hydrolyzed wheat protein. It sprays out like a mist, but it feels very creamy on the hands. I'm just going to spray some on the ends of my hair on one side. Now I'm going to scrunch. I'm going to plop for about 10 minutes, then I'm going to air dry and show you guys the result. So my hair is dry. As you can see on the no product side, it's pretty frizzy with not a lot of definition, and the product side, it has a lot less frizz and a lot more definition. To increase my definition, I'm going to use some more of the leave-in spray. And now I'm going to try the really cool product of this line, which is the Split End Balm. This is used to seal your ends to protect those split ends, to prevent them from further splitting, and to help you repair the damage. This contains castor oil, hydrogenated castor oil, cerifera wax, candelilla wax, shea butter, and yogurt. This product is like a creamy wax, almost like a waxy shea butter. It's pretty thick, but it's not sticky and it's clear. So I'm just going to work this onto the ends of my hair. I have always recommended people who dye their hair or heat style their hair to seal their ends when they have split ends to help them prevent splitting and also to prevent the formation of split ends. So it's really cool that there is now a dedicated product for that. Alrighty, so my hair is 100% dry. Honestly, I'm really impressed with this line. At first, I thought my hair was going to get hard from all the protein because I am protein sensitive, but I felt it strengthened my hair, but also give me moisture. I highly recommend this line to people who bleach their hair, dye their hair, heat style, or are transitioning. This line is going to give you the protein that your hair needs to revive it, to repair it. Let me know what other brands you would like me to review. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, I'll leave all the links down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.